Hi there, it's Hillary. Welcome back to the Creative Faith YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a process in my Bible using a free printable that I created. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and LaQuisha Hall from Confident Canvas on Instagram, she posted and asked if anyone wanted to create any printables or resources that people can use to Bible journal and plan and document and raise awareness about domestic violence. And she has a live video that I will link in the description box below, where she talks and shares a little bit more behind her heart about this kind of movement that she's starting called Restore Your Royalty. So if you go on Instagram and look up that hashtag, you will find different examples of women using this, but also just tons of information and resources about how we can support and pray for one another. And so in LaQuisha's live, she said that 1 in 3 women and 1 in 4 men experience domestic violence, which is a huge amount, and I never knew that. No one in my close circle that I know of experiences that, and so for a long time it just hasn't been something that my eyes have been open to. But God calls us to pray for one another. That's one of the verses that I lettered in the freebie, and so I created this for you guys all to use for free. It comes with these, so I have been using it. So a lot of the pieces are cut up, but it has different Bible verses and I am statements connected with God's Word to remind us of who we are in Him. And so I hand lettered all of these. I love how those turned out. And then I also made these girl printables, and so I printed some on clear sticker paper and some on white sticker paper and some on normal paper. And so I printed them smaller, but this is how tall they actually are in the printable. And they are wearing crowns and their shirts say royalty, which I thought was just super perfect. And then I also made this image. It actually is a black and white version in my Queen Esther printable, which I'll link in the description box below if you want to check it out. But I colored it purple because I thought that was so perfect for this topic and this season. And then I also made 2 other printables in my Etsy shop. One of them are purple traveler's notebook pages, and the other are purple images. Like I have this beautiful rose and flowers and coffee cups and books and tags, and so lots of fun things to continue using to write out prayers and document and raise awareness this month. So I will link both of these in my Etsy shop in the description box below if you want to pick those up, as well as this freebie. So I'm going to be documenting this verse from James 1:12, and I'm going to be using this Bible. It's from Legacy of Love Creations. And it says, "Blessed is the man or woman who remains steadfast under trial, for when he has stood the test, he will receive the crown of life, which God has promised to those who love him." And so the statement is, I am determined. So thinking about how I'm determined to remain firm in the Lord no matter what trial or trouble or storm I'm going through. Because we know that we have this crown of life waiting for us. And so take heart in that today. I think I'm going to be using these Tombow markers. They will bleed through my page. I'm well aware of that, but that's okay. So again, be sure to download this free printable, and also I am going to link the live video that LaQuisha did on her Instagram page in the description box below too, because I'd really encourage you guys to watch it before using this printable. So I'm going to put you guys on fast forward now and get started.